So now, Carson, what I did is we marked it. We clipper cut around the perimeter edge of your head where it's going to be attached. You want to always keep that clean and dry. On the days that you shampoo, you want to make sure that your scalp's clean and dry. Also the front of the hair unit. On another video segment, we will go into how do I take my tape on, how do I take it off, how do I clean it. But we're going to do the attachment, which is what we've been waiting for, right?
Cool.
So we're going to go ahead and place the unit on your head. I have my mark, so I will go with my mark, and if you'd be so kind to put your hand up on your forehead again. You want the unit to just barely touch the edge of the top part of the finger. That's a guide.
Got it.
Now, I'm going to come around. When you're at home, you already have all of this done. I'm just going to literally roll this down over your head where we have clipper cut your hair.
Right on.
If it overlaps a little bit, it's fine. The main thing is we want to make sure there's no bubbles and it's smooth. And how does that fit? Should
Feels
fit like
awesome.
a glove.
Yeah.
Due to the fact that we heated the adhesive prior with the blow dryer, it is not coming off until you use a remover to remove the adhesive. It's a medical adhesive they actually put in a tape strip. So don't worry about it coming off, or you're out skiing or something. It's not going to come off until you use a remover to take it off.
Cool.
And again, you can use this for 7 to 10 days before you have to do anything other than lift up the front and heat with the dryer to reactivate the adhesive. That's pretty neat, huh?
That's awesome.
Okay, so if you'll be so kind just to kind of wet the hair down.
All right.
And then use the brush lightly just so I make sure that you know how to brush it. Go ahead and wet the hair a little bit more.
A little bit more?
Mm-hmm. Don't be afraid to use spray and conditioner. You really can't over-condition these things, especially when you're trying to manipulate the hair.
Good to know.
And all you're doing now is just make sure there's not a bunch of tangles from where you've attached. If in the event you brush the hair and you hear that scratching noise, like a cat scratching,
right,
that means you're brushing way too hard.
Gotcha.
You want to be a little bit above the base of the unit.
Right.
And what I love about this unit that I chose for you, it looks like your scalp.
Yeah, you can see right through it.
No matter which part of the hair, wherever direction you decide
right
to do it, you see right through. This is a light to medium density, multi-directional unit. The style that you chose first was really easygoing, something you can do instantly and take off and go play music or do whatever you want to do without worrying too much about being in the mirror for hours.
Right.
And then in a couple of weeks, you can come back and we can reassess the style that you chose. Let's say in a couple of weeks you decide, hey, this is great, but I need a little bit thinned or a little bit cut shorter.
Yeah.
Within the first 2 weeks of getting any type of hair replacement from Imagine Hair, we do not charge you if you need to come back. Just call us. We'll fit you in an appointment and we'll get it done.
That's awesome.
All right.
Way cool.